Okay, dear students, now we are back to our new session, Geography second lesson. So, already we have discussed some of the parts of second lesson of geography, that is what is second lesson, geographic grid, latitude and longitude. We have discussed something like lines of latitude, then northern and southern hemisphere, and now lines of longitude, then longitude and time, longitude and time. Now we are going to start local time. Okay, now we are going to start a local time. The local time of any place is obtained by the overhead sun at noon. How do we find, how can we find the time of a particular place? That is mainly we are finding out the time of that particular place by seeing the sun, by seeing the position of sun. Okay, local time of any place is obtained by the overhead sun at noon. This is what the secret. For each degree of longitude, the local time varies 4 minutes. So, each degree, 1 degree, earlier itself we said 1 degree is equal to how many kilometer? That is 111 kilometer. Now, again another thing, what is that? 1 kilometer is equal to, what is the time difference? 1 degree's time difference is equal to 4 minutes. 4 minutes. That is what the time difference. For example, suppose we want to know the difference between Delhi and Mumbai. The difference between Delhi and Mumbai. Mumbai 73 degree east. Mumbai how much? That is 73 degree east Mumbai. And at the same time, what about Delhi? Delhi is 77 degree east. What is the different 77 minus 73 is equal to 4, isn't it? 4 degree. That 4 degree means 1 degree is equal to, 1 degree is equal to how much? 1 degree is equal to 4 minutes. Okay, that means 4 into, what about 4 into 4, how much will come? 4 into 4, that is 16 minutes. 4 into 4, 16 minutes. So, it can be time 77, Delhi's time can be 16 minutes ahead. Okay, 16 minutes ahead. So, why? Because early itself, last session I had said to you that EGA and next one WLS, EGA and WLS. So, EGA means east gain add, and WLS means west loss subtract, add subtract. Okay, since it is a eastern direction, okay, then what we have to do? We have to add this time to another one. Okay, and now let us go to time zones and standard time. And we are going to study time zones and standard time. First, time zone. To overcome the confusion while allowing the interplay of natural forces to operate. In order to overcome the confusion, we are using some of the natural forces to operate. The earth has been divided. First itself, we are going to divide earth into 24 time zones. Okay. Early times we might have seen that how many longitudes are there, how many longitudes are there. Longitudes are 360. What about longitude? Latitude are 181. Longitude 360. Now what about the time zone? Time zone is 24. Why do we divide earth into 24 time zones? According to hours, there are 24 hours in a day. That is why we are dividing into 24. So next step, 360 divided by 24 is equal to 15. Okay. So 1 hour means how much? 15 degree. Okay. 1 hour means 15 degree longitude. The time for the whole zone is determined on the basis of the central meridian of that place. While the countries with the smaller east-west extent like India have only one standard time, like east-west, okay, east to west, this width is less for India, okay, and that is why we have only one, what it is, longitude, one longitude, this is a longitude. So now what about this like Russia, Canada and USA, they have more than one time zones, they have more than one time zones. Our extension of country is north to south only, not from east to west. That is why we have only what? One time zone. That time zone where can we find? That is another matter. So we will see it later. So standard time. Now let us see what about the standard time. The uniform time based on a central meridian is known as standard time. The uniform time, the time which we follow based on our standard meridian, our central meridian. We have one meridian that is 82 degree 30 minute east. That is what our meridian. Based on that degree, we have some time that is known as what is it? Our standard time. We can say it is divisible for how much? By using 7.5 degree. And now Greenwich Mean Time. Greenwich Mean Time. Further fixing the time zone, the time at Greenwich, Greenwich line which is at a prime meridian, that is a 0 degree longitude. Okay, the line which passes through the Greenwich, that is we call it a Greenwich meridian. So has been selected the mean time. We are following Greenwich. Thus, if it is 12 noon at Greenwich, if when at 12 noon at Greenwich, at 15 degree east longitude, the time will be 1 p.m. and 30 degree longitude, the time will be 2 p.m. called the Greenwich Mean Time GST. According to that, okay, since it is east, we have to add forward. So that is the thing. So dear students, next day in the next session we will learn India's standard time. I mean IST. So, have a nice day. Thank you.